Hi everyone, my name is Chelsea Watson. I am 31 years old and I am currently in my second term here at CBU. I'm in the bachelor's program studying criminal justice, and if all goes according to plan, I should be graduating next summer. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. For me, I love to spend time with my family and friends or just be out in nature. It doesn't matter whether it's the beach, the mountains, could be anywhere as long as there's fresh air, trees, and everything is peaceful because that's hard to find in life sometimes. Over the next few years, I plan to graduate CBU next summer, like I said, and then I plan to attend law school for 3 or 4 years and eventually become a prosecutor, where I hope to change lives as much as I can and inspire people to be better than they have been in the past. I kind of found my passion for this by accident, but I think that it is something I'll really be able to make a difference in, and that I hope to put actually guilty people away and avoid putting away innocent people, because that happens more often than we'd like to think, and I would like to change that. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I hope that this helped you get to know me a little bit better, and I look forward to finishing out this term with you guys. I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you.